Did you know that eggs are one of the most nutritious foods on the planet? In fact, studies show that eating just 2 boiled eggs a day can provide you with essential nutrients that might just improve your health. Sounds intriguing, right? Stick around to find out how. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of boiled eggs. You might be wondering, what's the big deal about eating 2 boiled eggs daily? Well, this simple habit could be a game changer for your health. So, let's set the stage and explore the potential benefits of incorporating boiled eggs into your daily diet. Now, before we get into the good stuff, let's talk about some common misconceptions surrounding eggs. For years, eggs have been demonized due to their cholesterol content. Many people believe that eating eggs can lead to heart disease. But is that really true? It's a challenge to sift through all this information. The real problem lies in understanding the true health benefits of eggs versus the fears that have been instilled in us. We need to set the record straight. All right, let's break down the nutritional value of boiled eggs. First off, did you know that a single boiled egg packs about 6 grams of high-quality protein? That's pretty awesome. Plus, they're rich in essential vitamins like B12, which is crucial for brain health, and vitamin D, which helps with calcium absorption. They even contain minerals like zinc and selenium, which are fantastic for your immune system. When you think about it, boiled eggs can really contribute to a balanced diet. They're versatile, easy to cook, and can be added to salads, sandwiches, or eaten on their own as a quick snack. Now, let's get to the juicy part. Several studies highlight the positive effects of consuming 2 boiled eggs daily. One study found that participants who incorporated eggs into their diet experienced improved weight management and better cholesterol levels. Experts even agree that the right amount of dietary cholesterol from eggs doesn't negatively impact heart health for most people. So, if you're looking to boost your health in a simple way, 2 boiled eggs a day could be a fantastic addition to your routine. So, to wrap things up, we've uncovered that eating 2 boiled eggs daily can actually be a healthy choice. They're packed with nutrients that can support your overall health, while debunking some of those long-held myths about cholesterol. The takeaway? Boiled eggs can definitely be a nutritious part of your diet. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried eating boiled eggs daily? What's your favorite way to enjoy them? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about healthy eating habits, make sure to check out my next video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.